Losing a Paxful trade dispute feels like getting robbed in broad daylight, but don't throw in the towel just yet. I'm about to arm you with the knowledge to fight back and win. First, understand the timeline. Once a trade is disputed, you usually have a limited time to present your evidence. Check the trade window carefully for the exact deadline. Missing this deadline is a recipe for disaster. Your most powerful weapon is solid evidence. Gather everything. Screenshots of your chat log, clearly showing your instructions and the other party's responses or lack thereof. Include transaction IDs, payment confirmations, and any other proof that supports your claim. Now, craft a clear, concise, and factual argument. Avoid emotional language or personal attacks. Stick to the facts and explain exactly how the other party violated the trade terms. Highlight the evidence you presented and point out any inconsistencies in the other party's claims. Upload all your evidence directly to the dispute section on Paxful. Make sure everything is easily accessible and properly labeled. Don't hide crucial information in obscure files. Make it easy for the moderator to see your side of the story. Familiarize yourself with Paxful's terms of service, specifically the clauses relevant to your trade. Quote these clauses in your argument to demonstrate that you understand the rules and that the other party violated them. Finally, be patient and professional. Paxful moderators are overloaded, so it might take some time for them to review your case. Don't spam the support team, but do check back periodically for updates. With a strong argument and compelling evidence, you significantly increase your chances of winning the dispute. Good luck.